Hello again. This is Suna Senman, and we are back with reading A Course of Love. And this was brought to us by Marie Perron. And she received A Course of Love very much like Helen Schumann received A Course in Miracles. And we are on the 9th reading. I will begin with the last paragraph of the 8th reading again. Jesus, united with the Christ in you, is he who can teach you who you are and how to live as you are in a new world. He can open heaven to you and walk you through its gates, there to exchange this world at last for your true home. But it is not your body that will pass through the heaven's gates, nor your body's eyes that will view the new dimension, the new world you will behold and take with you. To view a physical world of dimension, shape, and scope like unto the old and hope to transport it from one place to another would be delusional. The new world does not have to do with form, but with content, a content that is as transferable as an author's words upon a page. How many would not travel to heaven if they could get on a bus and be transported there? Yet each of you holds within your power to reach heaven. Knowing yourself as you really are is the only way that will allow you to quit fearing your power. Jesus accepted his power and so brought the power of heaven to earth. This is what the Christ in you can teach you to do. This is miracle-mindedness. This is love. This is oneness. The Christ in you teaches only in the sense of imparting knowledge that you already have and once again have access to as you join with your own real self. Once this is accomplished, you are accomplished because you are complete. If your joining with Christ is the accomplishment and completion of all lessons, who is he who provides the lessons? This is Jesus. The Christ in you is your shared identity. The shared identity made Jesus one with Christ. The two names mean the same thing, as oneness is what was always shared and always will be. You are eternally one with Jesus, with Christ. The only way you can identify Jesus differently is to relate to the Jesus who was a man, the Jesus who existed in history. This is the same way in which you are able to see yourself as man or woman, as a being existing in a particular time in history. This one, or best three-dimensional nature of your seeing, is the nature of the problem. If you cannot see yourself other than as man or woman living in a particular place in a particular time, you cannot see yourself. Thus Jesus comes to you again, and in a way that you can accept, to lead you beyond what you can accept to what is true. And from my books, I have a reading that connects to the self of who I am. And it is this poem. I am all I knew I could be, all others thought of me, then more, inseparable from all the other I beings and all the other thoughts, all the other experiences. Until I climbed the ladder laying against the wall and sat upon the slate roof, I looked at all, and all looked so small. I could see all together when I was out of it all. All just looks full of all, stuck in their stationary spots, armored in brick, stone, and frame, vulnerable to be replaced by other brick, stone, and frame. A whisper touched my cheekbones, saying, "Look up." And gently lifting those bones upward, my eyes, forced to obey, capture the hidden life in the light blue, white wisps and endlessness. Now I rest. And we will return tomorrow for another Course of Love by Marie Perron, or by Jesus, one may say. And for now, enjoy today, stepping and being in your true self in heaven, with love and blessings, blessings, blessings.